In this video, we're going to go through the season setup process. This is the first step you're going to want to complete before you begin adding any content to a new sports season. So in this case, we're getting ready for our men's soccer 2022-23 schedule release. So we're here in the Dakota Wesleyan site, and I'm going to go into my men's soccer season and game day, and we'll see that the upcoming season is available here. And the first thing I see when I go into this season is the setup this season option. And that is what we're going through here. So you'll click this button, you'll see all this yellow here, and you'll click setup again at the top. And now we'll just go down the page and begin setting everything up. The page can be a little finicky with the way it all operates, so I recommend doing it a little out of order and starting at the bottom and going through here and adding your team to each of these files. These are all the stat files. These are what set up the networked stat files so that not only do they show in the templates on the front end of your site, but then they also get shared with your conference and with the NAIA or whoever your host conferences and organizations are. This is really what empowers all the network's features. So if you only have access to one team like we do here as Dakota Wesleyan, what you can do is just hit add all teams for each one of these. And you're going to want to do that for your headlines, and then again up here for the schedule. And now we can begin filling in these three text boxes. First item up here I'll also note is the hide schedule option on your schedule. So what this allows you to do is if you check this and hide it, you can still publish it so the link is active on your site, but the events just won't be visible yet. So you can already have the link published and ready on your site. That way you don't have to worry about caching with link changes or anything like that. So you can publish your schedule link the day before it's going to go live. The page will be blank. And then in game day, there's an option to hide and show season. And you can go in there and set it to show your season once you're ready for that stuff to be displayed, and it'll start showing up right away at the schedule link. So that's what that feature is, and then we just want to go down and put a title for each page in these headlines here. So it's totally up to you to put in here as much or as little as you would like. We give an example down here where we just mention entering the season, and then like the team name, the sport, and the schedule. So again, that's really up to each individual how you want to label it. So for soccer, it's just it's not a cross-season sport like basketball, so you might just list the 1 year and just do something like this. And I'll just show you some other examples as we go down here, because then here's the roster as well. So you could name it something like Dakota Wesleyan, so DWU, men's soccer roster. Or the news page you're also going to want to name. You could put, the full school year, spell out your school name, add your mascot, whatever you want to do. You get the point here. We'll just finish this up. And now we're all set. So we're going to set up season. All of our yellow is gone. Season is set up. Nice job. And now if we click up here in the title for the season, it'll take us into game day. And now all of our tabs are available for our schedule, roster, and also to write your releases and upload your photos. So now that that's all here, your season is all set up and you're all set to begin adding content.